Hi, my name's Christina Eberall, and this is my presentation. So I'm going into counseling psychology, and basically what that is a counseling psychologist is a mental health professional who works with patients on mental, emotional, and behavioral problems and disorders. Counseling psychologists discuss issues with clients in an intimate, thorough fashion and provide advice on the best strategies and techniques to address their problems. That's a really great definition I got from this website down below. But basically, in short, a counseling psychologist is just someone who helps people with like their day-to-day issues and problems, whether it's like depression, anxiety, things like that. So the required education for this profession is definitely a bachelor's degree in psychology, probably, and either a PsyD or a PhD. For me, I'm definitely going to be pursuing a PsyD rather than the PhD because I'm a lot more interested in the practicing side rather than the sciencey side and the research side. And my 4-year plan is definitely in line with this goal. I'm going to get my bachelor's in general psych and hopefully go on to receive my PsyD. And if not the PsyD, then definitely a master's degree. I'm majoring in psychology, other than being like super fascinated with the human brain. I'm majoring in this because I know that I want to help people talk about their problems. I want to help them with the things that are troubling them. I've always been someone that people can open up to, and I want to turn that into my profession. And to the right is a picture of my husband and I, and I'm definitely doing this for him and any future children we might have someday. And I know that even if I don't have this profession for the rest of my life, I know that this knowledge is going to help me become just a better person all around. So in conclusion, the reasons why I'm majoring in psychology definitely flow with the common reasons in Chapter 13, but the most important reason, in my opinion, is just having the desire to help people who want to figure their lives out and who wanted to cope with depression or anxiety in a healthy way, and people who just want to better themselves. And I didn't necessarily see that reason in Chapter 13, but I know it's definitely important to a lot of people who are majoring in this. So I'm definitely excited to begin my career someday, and I know that my education is definitely going to make me better for it. Thank you.